If your 4Runner leans to one side or your rear sits too low after leveling the front, this tiny part might be the easiest and cheapest fix. Today, we're going to be talking about a really simple suspension part that can solve a couple common problems on the Toyota 4Runner, and that is the rear spring spacer from ARB. So this right here is a rear coil spring spacer. It installs on the top of your rear coil spring on your suspension. This particular spacer from ARB is 10 millimeters thick, which means when it's installed, it will raise the rear of your vehicle about 10 millimeters, or roughly a ½ inch. Now, that might not sound like a huge lift, but these spacers are really designed for fine-tuning your suspension rather than creating a big lift. One of the most common reasons people install these is to fix what people call the Toyota lean. A lot of Toyota trucks and SUVs, including the 4Runner, can sometimes sit slightly lower on the driver's side. This can happen because of things like the fuel tank being located on the driver's side, general weight distribution, or just suspension settling over time. Now, if that lean bothers you, one simple solution is installing a spacer on the driver's side rear spring. That small 10 millimeter lift can often even the truck out and help correct that lean. Another common situation is when someone levels the front of their truck. A lot of people install a front leveling kit to remove the factory rake, but once the front comes up, the rear of the truck can sometimes look a little too low. Instead of replacing your rear springs, you can install one spacer on each side in the rear. Since each spacer is 10 millimeters thick, that will raise the rear of your vehicle about 10 millimeters and bring the stance of your truck back into balance. One of the reasons these spacers are so popular is because they're simple, affordable, and effective for small adjustments. You're not replacing springs, shocks, or any of your major suspension components. It's just a small spacer that allows you to fine-tune the ride height of the vehicle. And compared to buying new springs or a full suspension setup, this is way cheaper to make a small correction. This one from ARB we sell at Yota Xpedition for $24 each, whereas a new set of springs for the rear is around $250. Now, in this video, we're not actually installing the spacer, but the installation process itself is fairly straightforward. First thing is the rear of the vehicle would be lifted and supported by the frame so the rear axle can droop down. I would then unbolt your sway bar end links, and you might need to unbolt one side of your rear shock. With that done, you can now pull down on one side of the axle and the rear coil spring can be removed. The spacer then installs on top of the spring in the upper spring perch, and everything gets reassembled. So overall, it's a relatively simple suspension modification compared to replacing the springs or shocks completely. So a spacer like this makes sense if your truck has the Toyota lean and you want to correct the height difference. It is also a great option if you level the front of your truck and want to bring the rear up slightly to restore the stance, whether you want to make it even with the front or you want that raked look again. And in general, it's a really useful part if you're just trying to fine-tune the ride height of your suspension. However, if you're looking for a full suspension lift, this really isn't designed for that. These spacers are more about making small adjustments rather than major changes. Alright, so that's a quick look at the rear spring spacer from ARB. It's a small and inexpensive part, but it can be a really helpful solution if you're trying to fix a lean or dial in the suspension height on your Toyota 4Runner. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out the rest of our installs, education, and build videos here at Yota Xpedition. If you guys want one of these spring spacers, make sure to head over to our website where we have these and so much more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.